Welcome to the introduction of hubs in Zeno. In this section, we will show you how to calibrate the HT016B transmitter. Pull the throttle stick and elevator stick to the top left corner and simultaneously press and hold the power button. After hearing the transmitter make some beep sounds, release the power button. On the HT016B transmitter, rotate the joysticks to the maximum angle clockwise for at least 3 times. Then counterclockwise for at least 3 times. Release the joysticks when you are done. Long press the auto takeoff button or any buttons except the power button. After the transmitter beeps 3 times, release the button and the transmitter calibration is complete. After connecting the aircraft, check whether the parameters of the transmitter joysticks are normal on the app. Thank you for watching.